Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Twitter feed to Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, we need to open Shopify App Store. So type here shopify.com/apps. And once you're here, search here Twitter feed. And open this app, Twitter feed, and click on add app. And now click on install app. So here we can see the Twitter feed app successfully added to my Shopify website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.